What if I told you that one of the most technologically advanced countries on earth was once ruled by samurai warriors carrying swords, isolated from the world for over 200 years, devastated by two atomic bombs, and somehow rebuilt itself into an economic superpower within a single generation? This is the incredible history of Japan, a story filled with emperors, warriors, shoguns, world wars, destruction, resilience, and reinvention. Japan's story begins thousands of years ago with the Jomon people, hunter-gatherers who lived on the islands as early as 14,000 BC and created some of the world's oldest pottery. Later came the Yayoi people around 300 BC, bringing rice farming, metalworking, and social organization from mainland Asia, laying the foundation for early Japanese civilization. By the 4th century, powerful clans united under the Yamato court, and the emperor emerged as the symbolic ruler of Japan. During this time, Chinese culture heavily influenced Japan. Buddhism arrived from Korea, Chinese writing was adopted, and grand capitals like Nara and Kyoto were built. But while emperors ruled in theory, real power slowly shifted to military leaders. By the late 12th century, Japan entered the age of the samurai. After the Genpei War, the warrior leader Minamoto no Yoritomo became the first shogun in 1192, creating a military government where samurai controlled the country while emperors became mostly ceremonial figures. The samurai code of honor, known as Bushido, shaped Japanese culture for centuries, with ideals of loyalty, discipline, and sacrifice. Then came one of the most dramatic moments in Japanese history, the Mongol Invasions. In 1274 and again in 1281, the mighty Mongol Empire led by Kublai Khan attempted to conquer Japan, but massive typhoons destroyed much of the invading fleets. The Japanese called these storms kamikaze, meaning divine wind, believing the gods themselves had protected the nation. Afterward, Japan descended into centuries of civil war, known as the Sengoku Period, where rival warlords battled endlessly for power. Legendary figures like Oda Nobunaga, Toyotomi Hideyoshi, and Tokugawa Ieyasu fought to unify the country. In 1603, Tokugawa Ieyasu finally established the Tokugawa Shogunate and brought peace to Japan for over 250 years. But this peace came at a cost. Japan closed itself off from most of the world in a policy called Sakoku. Foreigners were heavily restricted, Christianity was banned, and Japan became an isolated feudal society where samurai, farmers, artisans, and merchants lived under strict social rules. Yet beneath the isolation, Japanese culture flourished. This was the age of kabuki theater, haiku poetry, tea ceremonies, and woodblock art. Then everything changed in 1853, when American warships led by Commodore Matthew Perry arrived with advanced weapons and demanded Japan open its ports to the world. Realizing they could not resist Western powers, Japan ended centuries of isolation. Soon after came the Meiji Restoration of 1868, one of the most astonishing transformations in history. The shogunate was abolished, power returned to the emperor, and Japan rapidly modernized. Samurai lost their privileges, railroads and factories spread across the country, and Japan built a modern army and navy. In only a few decades, Japan transformed from a feudal society into an industrialized world power. It shocked the world by defeating China in 1895 and even Russia in 1905. The first time an Asian nation defeated a major European power in the modern era. But rapid industrialization and nationalism also pushed Japan toward militarism. In the 1930s, Japan expanded aggressively across Asia, invading Manchuria and later China, where horrific atrocities like the Nanjing Massacre occurred. Eventually, Japan allied with Germany and Italy during World War II. Then on December 7, 1941, Japan launched a surprise attack on Pearl Harbor, bringing the United States into the war. What followed was a brutal conflict across the Pacific. As Japan began losing the war, the United States dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945, causing unimaginable devastation and forcing Japan to surrender. The war left the country shattered, cities destroyed, millions dead, and the empire collapsed. But Japan's story did not end there. Under American occupation, Japan adopted a new constitution, reduced the power of the military, and rebuilt its economy from the ruins. What happened next became known as the Japanese economic miracle. Companies like Toyota, Sony, and Nintendo transformed Japan into a global leader in technology, automobiles, and entertainment. By the 1980s, Japan had become one of the richest nations in the world. Today, Japan is a fascinating blend of ancient tradition and futuristic innovation, where centuries old temples stand beside neon skyscrapers, where bullet trains race past samurai castles, and where a nation once destroyed by war became a symbol of resilience and progress. From divine winds and samurai battles to atomic devastation and technological dominance, the history of Japan is not just the story of one country. It is proof that a nation can fall to its darkest moment and still rise again, stronger than ever before.